Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your profile name on Heyday. So let's get started without wasting much of our time since the process is quite easy. First of all, open up Heyday application on your smartphone, and once you do that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. From the pop-up, click on Settings, and in the settings, click on the connected button right next to Supercell ID option. Here you will be able to see your profile picture and your user ID. Go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left, and then this will show you your player ID and other options. Tap the change button right next to player ID and click on continue. Remember that you can only change your player ID once. After you tap continue, go ahead and write down the new ID and then tap on save. Right after you do that, your player ID or your name has been changed in Heyday account. And that's it. Changing your Heyday profile name is super easy once you know where to look. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.